Hey Chrissy, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you for speaking on the phone with me earlier and giving me permission to shoot this video over to you guys. I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy over there in Colorado Springs with roofs and whatnot, but I just wanted to break down some tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence and how to increase your online relevance as well, and you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you. And if I'm completely honest with you, a lot of roofing company owners are just way too busy running their business from day to day, getting things done just to kind of to keep their business trekking along, to really realize how the internet can bring them even more of that business, right? So I'm just going to break down 3 things for you guys today. The first thing we're going to talk about is content. The second thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And then lastly, we're going to talk about citations, okay? Now, first things first is I was kind of navigating through your website here, even before the video. I started filming the video. I just had to say that it's super easy to navigate. I mean, I didn't have any I didn't have any problems just kind of maneuvering around, clicking links here and there. They all worked, which is great, right? But unfortunately, Google cares more about content than anything else, okay? And content is just all the words that are on your page, okay? And they also want to see keywords that are relevant to that content or your niche, right? Or like what you do. So if I were to copy all the words that you have here and even the pictures, right? I'm going to take it to my word counter over here. Let's see, and I'm just going to paste it on here. And you could see that you have about 444 words on your homepage. Now, Google classifies a really authoritative website to have anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on the landing page alone. Okay, so it looks like you're falling short by at least 1,000. Even if you just wanted to cross that 1,000-word mark, that would greatly increase your visibility, and even it would even increase the traffic that you got going towards your website. Okay, and with the whole keyword thing, I would recommend using keywords like roofing company in Colorado Springs, just like this one right here. Roofing Colorado Springs, that's great. Roofers in Colorado Springs, roofers Colorado Springs, Colorado, things like that. Those would be great keywords to implement throughout your landing page there, right? So increasing the content to at least over 1,000 words, that would increase your visibility, okay? Now, my second tip for you is backlinks, okay, and which is what we're going to talk about right now. Now, I went on ahead and typed in your URL, your website here into my tool. This tool is called Ahrefs, okay? Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool, considering I am in the industry. But if you were to just Google keyword researcher for free or backlink checker for free, you could basically see what I'm seeing here, right? And those are free tools and stuff like that for you to use. Now, the only reason that I'm paying for Ahrefs is because basically what it does is it pulls back the curtain, right? And it allows me to see kind of what's going on in the background of your website, breaks down some stats, and does some really great analysis, and just kind of shows me exactly what your website is doing, okay? Now, according to this, you have 33 referring domains, and what that is just that you have 33 other websites that are linking to you, and the backlinks means that they're linking to you 239 times, okay? So these 33 websites are linking to you 239 times. You have a total of 118 organic keywords, okay, on your website. Remember, we talked about keywords earlier, bringing you a total of 63 people on average per month to visit your website, okay? And your traffic value is worth $463, okay, which isn't bad. I've seen ones at 0, so but I went on ahead and did the same thing with your competitors, okay, just so you can see that I'm not making any of these numbers up, and you're seeing the facts for yourself. So according to this, these guys have 262 referring domains with 1,570 backlinks. They have 2,500 keywords, bringing them a total of 2,700 people to visit their website per month on average. And then take a look at this traffic value. They have $14,500 in traffic value compared to your 463. Basically, what this is telling me, okay, by seeing the difference in traffic value, is that you're leaving a lot of money on the table, for Ameripro Roofing, just for them to take outright by not implementing this tip that I'm telling you. If you were to just research the referring domains and the backlinks that your competitors have and use them as yourself, if they're good enough to rank your competitors, guess what? They're good enough to rank you. This traffic value would be yours, right? You'd have 2,000 people visiting your website per month on average, the exact same way, okay? Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Obviously, you would have to just kind of sift through these and just kind of see which ones are great and which ones are not, right? Google is a popularity contest, and they want to see other relevant websites pushing traffic to you that are basically associated with what you do, right? So other roofing websites, roofing blogs, forums, things like that. It builds trust with Google, right? As I said, Google is a popularity contest. They want to see other relevant websites vouching for you, saying that you are legit, right? So the last thing that I want to talk to you about today is citations. Now, citations is anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, right? And what I mean be found is having your business name, your phone number, and your address in any directories, those that are local to Colorado Springs, and even ones like Yelp, Angie's List, White Pages, Yellow Pages, even Home Advisor. If you were to just put your business into those, it would help build your citation list. And that, your citations, is how you get up here on the map pack, okay? And if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? I don't know if you're like me, but I don't scroll down here to the third or fourth page of Google to find what I'm looking for. I usually just trust the map pack because I feel like it answers my question more precisely, right? So I Googled roofers, Colorado Springs, Colorado, and guess what? Divine Roofing Inc. is at the top of that list. So if you wanted to get here at the top of this list, you would just have to do the research to see where these guys are have their businesses in what directories, right? And if they have anywhere between 100 or 150 of them, well, then I'd want to one-up them and be at least at 200 and 250 just to ensure that you're constantly dominating this number one spot. You're getting all the calls for your business. You're getting all of the jobs, right? And you have a constant inflow of customers. So with that being said, you're probably wondering which route to take, right? So you have two possible paths, right? So the first one is by taking all this information and utilizing it yourself, building those backlinks, researching those citations, and increasing your content, right? Just making sure that you're able to even push above that 1,000-word mark. That would greatly help you, okay? Now, if you're looking to outsource some help in any way, you could definitely reach out to me and I can see what I can do to help you, okay? If anything else, if you liked what you saw in the video, if you could at least give me some feedback, that would be great. Other than that, if you're looking to outsource help, please reach out to me, and I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have an amazing day.